Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to clean the group head on a Breville espresso machine. So first thing is turn off and cool down and make sure the machine is off and cooled to avoid burns. Now, just simply take out the porta-filter and knock out any used coffee puck and use a group head cleaning brush to scrub the gasket and the shower screen. And now just simply go ahead and insert a blind filter into the porta filter and add a Breville cleaning tablet and run a cleaning cycle and just simply refer to your model's instructions. And after that, just simply remove the tablet and run several cycles with clean water to rinse it out. And now just simply wipe around the group head with a damp cloth and you should be able to clean the group head fully and have your coffee ready. There you go. See ya.